So guys, in this video we'll be discussing about the state of motion. Okay, so we'll try to understand what is state of motion. Okay, now the state of motion of an object is described by its speed, by its what? Speed, and direction by it. Okay, and its direction, which direction it moves. Speed and its direction. So state of motion is described by its what? Speed and direction. Now state of rest is considered in the state of motion. How it is considered? See, I said already that is speed. Suppose state of rest. At state of rest, speed will be what? What will be the speed if a body is at rest? Stationary. That means zero, right? So body is at rest, no direction will be there. So since it's zero, speed is zero, right? At rest. So state of motion may contain state of rest as well as motion. Motion means some speed will be there according to that. So in direction will be also be there because it is moving towards some direction. Some speed will be there. So state of motion means described by speed and its direction. The state of rest is also considered to be the state of what? Zero. That means speed, zero speed. That means state of rest means speed will be what? Zero. An object may be at rest or in motion. Both are its state of motion. So an object may be in rest or in motion. Both are nothing but a state of motion. That you have to remember. In rest, speed is zero. In motion, some speed will be there. So the direction will also be there. Okay. So basically, this you have to understand. So state of motion, rest will be also be there. Motion will be also be there. Now we'll try to understand. If a force is applied on any object, what all changes can occur? Okay, so basically the changes that force can bring after some force when the changes that occur when the force is applied on any object. Okay, suppose we'll take first one, that is change in speed. What do you understand by the word change in speed? Suppose we'll take something. If you push a car, or we'll take one more example, like hitting a ball with a bat. See, bat is there. So diagram you can see on the screen. Okay, so change the speed means so that batsman is hitting the ball. The bowler balls. Okay, so ball comes and the batsman tries to hit. So what happens? The ball changes its speed, right? Hits and goes in another speed. And the direction also changes. That is one more thing. That is change in direction also can happen, right? So same example we'll take. Suppose see, bowler is bowling. Okay, so bowler puts the ball and batsman tries to hit hard. Okay, so ball changes its speed also after hitting and it changes its direction also, right? So that's a major thing we have to understand. Okay, and one more thing we'll discuss, that is change in shape. Change in shape, that you can take anything. Like if you press something, right? You're applying what you're pushing basically. For if you take anything example like change of speed, or so we'll take one example of what? Toothpaste. Suppose for example, for brushing the teeth we need to squeeze what? The toothpaste. Okay, and apply it on the brush, whatever toothbrush. This leads to what? Change in shape of the toothpaste. That you understand. So that you can take it in what? Shape. And the size also changes basically, right? Toothpaste size also changes. Shape and the size we can consider it as dimension of also. So change in dimension means change of shape as well as change of size. So we can take the example of what? Toothpaste. Direction, you can anything you can take. I have taken the example of what hitting a batsman hitting a ball with his bat. Speed also you can take anything, right? So these are all the major things that you to see under this. Okay. So change of speed, change of direction, change of shape, and as well as size. These all things occur when a force is applied on any body.